In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to remove a Bluetooth device from your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager listed right above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that. And if you see a Bluetooth section here, just would double click on it and right click on whatever device you wanted to remove under the Bluetooth and just select uninstall device and walk through the on-screen prompts. So again, very straightforward there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.